Green juice recipe. A refreshing drink beneficial for migraine and headache sufferers. Migraines and headaches can be caused by a variety of reasons, including dehydration. Drinking plenty of water is always helpful, however certain juices could also help, due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Each ingredient in this recipe was selected based on the benefits it can provide in this situation. There are 8 ingredients in this recipe. 16 ounces filtered water or coconut water, and 1 cup of pineapple. 1 cup of kale, 3 to 4 leaves, and 1 stalk of celery. Half a lemon, juiced, and 1 cup of cucumber. A ½ inch of ginger root, and 1½ cups of ice. Place all ingredients into a blender. Secure the lid and blend well for at least 60 seconds. This recipe makes 2 servings. Enjoy! For more health tips, and help for migraine sufferers, visit migrelief.com. migrelief.com